as you can see right here, this is my merchant account. And what I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and just make this a little bit smaller. And I'm going to go ahead and just click here on the 1st. And then today is the 21st of January. So I'm going to go ahead and click submit. And as you can see, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. But as you can see, it's actually loading. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just go over here. Let me go ahead and zoom in. And in the last 21 days, you can see right here, almost $20,000 generated with affiliate marketing. And I'm just showing you this not to, impress you or whatever. I'm just showing you this to show you what is possible. This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. Just woke up, but I wanted to create this short video and talk about affiliate marketing and how it can change the course of your life this year. If you're somebody that is struggling with generating leads or sales for your business, or you're somebody that has the 9-to-5 full-time job and you want to create extra income, this opportunity is for you. And as you can see, this is our community group. We have over 10,000 members. And let me just show you some of the success that our team members are having. As you can see, these are just some live sessions that I've had with my team members. Some of my team members that have created 10K plus with digital marketing from their home. Big shout out to Sonica. You can see here another 300 popped in last night while I was out for dinner. Another $300 commission for her. And Sherlyn, as you can see here, that's another $300 commission. Another team member that just got started with the team. All these are just testimonials. Daria, another one just rolled in. Love this daily cash program. That's a $325 day. Stefan, he actually just joined not that long ago. And as you can see right here, had a $900 day yesterday following the blueprint. Thank you for sharing this. The system works. So I'm super proud of Stefan. And these are just to show you what is possible, right? Right here, as you can see, Julia, another person came in at the premium level. That's another $600 commission for Julia. And again, you don't have to worry about, oh my God, where am I going to find people to get started with my team? Just because I show you step by step on how to get thousands of eyeballs to your business opportunity. There are free strategies. There are other strategies, different options for different team members, but all these are free strategies that you can start implementing inside of your business. As you can see here, Dimitra, another $300 commission, how we start our week. And these are, again, I can just go on forever. These are just new team members getting started, welcoming. And I'm just super excited about all of this. You can see right here, this is Stefan, another $600 commission. Right here we have Suntan. This is another $300 commission. This person said, I thought I wasted my money signing for IPS. I'm happy I'm making sales. Now consistency can only help. So super proud of everybody that's taking action. Again, I can be here forever just showing you all the different commissions that people inside of our team members are creating. So go ahead and get started. Click on the button below and it's going to take you over to the site where I show you exactly how to get started and become part of this community. You can see James right here. Boom, another $300 commission. Making money from home feels great. This commission came in while my daughter was telling me about a dream she had. So that's awesome. Get started with the team today. Other than that, I will see you at the top.